Hi, Lloyd Edwards from Ray White's. Welcome to another sensational home in Buderim today. This is 8 Hillston Street. Come and join me now and see what we have for you today.
It's summer love all year round, with the kids in the pool, the parents celebrating in any of the many living areas, that is, when you can get Dad out of his fully set up private office. There's even room for Granny in her own suite, because someone has to look after the children while others enjoy the beautiful tropical gardens, stunningly framed by the forested reserve, which hides a private walkway to Buderim village. Set on 849 square metres, this master-built family home has quality finishes that complement the stunningly private location. Each room of the house offers its own view of the manicured garden, bringing in the surrounding forest and bird life. The master bedroom offers its own private balcony overlooking the lush backdrop. The home also offers formal and informal dining and sensational alfresco options for those who want to enjoy this fabulous Sunshine Coast climate. And again, the garden beckons you to enjoy the surroundings, complete with a covered entertaining area and in-ground pool.
I hope you'll agree with me that 8 Hillston Street, Buderim is a sensational home. Great for you, great for the family, and great for the extended family and friends that'll love visiting here. Please ring me anytime. I'm very happy to show you through the property.